If people don't know you, they can't do business with you. You might be the best at what you do, but if you're invisible, it doesn't matter. So the real question isn't, how do I get more opportunities? It's, how do I make sure people know I exist? Hey, I'm Brett Holzman, and I went from being a TV executive to real estate investor and content strategist. And one of the biggest lessons I have learned, success isn't just about skill, it's about visibility. So here's why visibility matters more than ever. You could have the best product, the best service, the best offer, but if people don't know about you, they're not going to be able to hire you, invest in you, or work with you. The biggest names in any industry aren't always the best, but they're the most seen, and thus they're the most trusted. So here's the number one mistake that keeps entrepreneurs invisible. Too many business owners and investors rely on word of mouth, referrals, or hoping people will just find them. Well, it's a losing game. So you need a visibility strategy. Ooh, that's a big word. A visibility strategy. A way to consistently show up. A way to consistently add value. And thus, build trust. So here are 3 steps to make sure people know you exist. Number 1, be discoverable where your audience is. LinkedIn, it's for professionals and investors. Instagram, TikTok, that's for personal branding and visibility. And YouTube, that's long-form content for authority building. Number 2, you've got to create content that builds trust. Don't just sell, educate. Show people you know your stuff. You've got to show up authentically because people buy with people they connect with. And you've got to be consistent. One post, not enough. Random times, not good. The more people see you and see you consistently, the more they're going to trust you. And 3, you've got to leverage other people's audiences. Haven't thought about that one. So you got to get on podcasts. You've got to collaborate with other creators, speak at events, or create your own platform. Go to meetups. Be there. So here's my final thought. If no one knows who you are, they can't do business with you. Visibility equals opportunity. Let me say that again. Visibility equals opportunity. Show up. Build trust. Make it impossible for people to ignore you. Drop that rocket ship emoji down below if you are ready to start getting seen. And why don't you tag someone who needs to hear this today? See you in the next video.